Marine hull war insurance is a critical coverage for vessels operating in high-risk areas. It provides protection against a range of war-related perils, from acts of war to terrorism and piracy. One key clause is the 7-day notice of cancellation. This gives insurers the flexibility to cancel the policy due to changing war risks, ensuring they can manage their exposure. Discretionary premium adjustments are another important feature. Insurers can adjust premiums for specific voyages through high-risk areas, as identified by the Joint War Committee. The blocking and trapping clause is crucial, covering vessels trapped in ports due to war or military blockades. This ensures they're protected even if they can't safely leave. Some policies may be structured as total loss only, TLO, meaning claims are only paid if the vessel is considered a total loss. This provides a more limited but potentially more cost-effective coverage. The Detainment and Deprivation Clause protects against loss when a vessel is detained by hostile forces or foreign governments during conflict. This ensures owners are covered even in complex geopolitical situations. Marine hull war insurance also addresses other important considerations, like piracy, crew safety, and war risk pools. These specialized features help vessel owners and operators navigate the unique challenges of high-risk environments.